and hello to you too. Alright, so here is the look inside the Amiga 500 with the internal hard drive, with its special mounting system. I'm going to be brave. First of all, I'm not sure if this rubber band is going to hold together, but I'm going to try to undo this. This may not be wise, but you know, I've got to try. Because I really want to just, okay, I want to look at this drive. So, here is the LED activity light, and here is the drive, wrapped in, yes, paper. So I'm not going to turn this on like this, but there is the drive. And I suppose I can probably, can I? I don't trust this somehow. I will just read. This is a Western Digital Tidbit 60. It's an XT-AT compatible intelligent drive. So it says. It's tiny. It is. It's funny because the more I look at it, I mean, it works. It's fast. It's dandy. It looks to me like the ribbon cable is the right size for the end that goes to the circuit board, which would be here. But I think it's wider than what the drive actually accepts, or, you know, needs. But so be it. It works. It does quite well. Perhaps it's, you know, mounting system is, which consists of, as you've seen, bubble wrap and a sheet of paper, is perhaps, you know, not what some people would call ideal. But I don't know how long this has been in there. I don't know who had it. But, you know, it works. And when you put the case on this, it certainly is very secure. And nothing bad has happened to it, for it still works. So here we are inside this Amiga 500 with a, maybe I can turn this again. Hang on. Maybe if I hold it you can see, oh yes, there it is. I will hold it, I will not let go. A Tidbit 60. So, let me buy a Western Digital. It's funny, you know, I would have thought somehow they would have found some way to do something better with the LED than just have it lingering on there. But really, I mean, I just like flashing lights. Doesn't make it work any better. So, I could turn it on now. I could. But I think I won't do that unless it has its bubble wrap. Let's just see. There's the, hello. Hello. There's the LED. I've just got to reach under this here Amiga 500 and get at the power switch and turn it on. And it's spinning. The drive light is flashing. From what I can tell, this is 2.04. And it's up. It's ready. That's fast. Cool. And it does seem, as I said before, seem to have 1 megabyte of RAM. Funny, there is the expansion port cover is missing. So maybe amongst some of the other things I have, there was something else that went on there. Because you know what? for somebody to, like, it has the bigger Agnes chip, it has this extra RAM board, it certainly has this hard drive board. It seems reasonable that this was sort of a high-powered Amiga 500 that somebody was doing cool things with. And thankfully, they did remove the battery, although, you know, there might have been damage. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try and put this all back together because I don't want to hurt it. Because, of course, we never want to do any harm. So here is the Tidbit 60 Western Digital inside the Amiga 500 with this cool ICD ink little controller dude. So, enough of this.